Hello, my name is Sandra, and today we're going to explore some musical timbre using a winter song poem. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to sing you a song and I'm going to show you how I incorporate playing musical instruments with the activity, and we're going to talk a little bit about beat and rhythm, and the students are going to get to play instruments that have a different timbre. And this is a great introductory lesson for kindergarten, first and second graders too. The first thing I'll do is I will sing the song. Now I'm using just a very small and simple xylophone, and I've put the notes we're not using here, and I've left the three notes of G, E, and C, or sol, mi, do in the xylophone case. So this is how the song goes. Snow is falling down, falling all around. Snow is falling down, falling to the ground. After I sing the song and play it like this for the students, then I have them pat their knees while I play it again for them, and I'll even walk around the room. This is pretty easy to walk around. We might take these out if I'm walking. I'll walk around the room and sing the song for them. I'll probably do that about 3 times. That will be enough for them to get the hang of the song. And then I'm going to clap the rhythm of the words. Snow is falling down. And then listen, snow is falling down. So I'll do some echo teaching. And then depending on the grade, if it's a second grade activity, I might have half the class play the steady beat. Dun, dun, and the other group will go, snow is falling down, and play the rhythm while the other group plays. Them will switch. That'll help everybody have a turn to feel beat and rhythm for the song, and it will help them practice the lyrics. We're just not going to keep repeating singing it. We're going to do a variety of activities to help them learn the song quickly. In kindergarten, I'm going to keep it a little simpler. I'll sing the song and I'm going to have them use their body to show me the notes and the movement. Snow is falling down, falling all around. Snow is falling down, falling to the ground. So that's a good movement for your kinder and first grade classes to do too. Now they are ready to play the song, and I will give them the instruments and we'll work through the song and play the notes. And I do this all by ear. They just sing it. It's a very repetitive pattern. So, sol, mi, mi, do. After they can sing the song, then I'm going to get out some other instruments. We're going to add in a rhythm part that's during those 4 beats of the end of the line. So when we're singing down, 2, 3, 4, there's going to be a rhythm part, and the rhythm part's going to be ti, 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 ta. And we're going to use a different instrument for each line of the song. For the first line of the song, we'll use the wood sand blocks. So the first line of the song would look like this. Snow is falling down. For the next line of the song, we're going to use the triangle, and it looks like this. Falling all around. Even though the third line of the song is the same as the first line, we're still going to use a different instrument, and I chose a jingle bell. And so it looks like this. Snow is falling down. On the last line of the song, since we're going to say the word ground, we're going to use a wood block, and that gives us a wooden instrument to listen to, which is different than our metal instruments. And it sounds like this. Falling to the ground. After the wood block has played the part at the end of the song, then I'll have everyone pick up their instruments and we'll play that rhythm pattern one more time with all the instruments, and I'll ask the xylophone people to add in a steady beat, an extra 4 beats at the end of the song. So the whole thing together looks like this. Snow is falling down, falling all around. Snow is falling down, falling to the ground. The way you can organize this in your classroom is to divide the class into 5 groups. Or you, the teacher, can play the xylophone and just have your kindergartners play each of those instrument parts. That might work great for kindergarten. Otherwise, you can ask like your second graders to play the melody in one group and then have another group for each of those rhythm parts. I would recommend that you divide this activity into at least 2 parts and use the singing and the movement and maybe the xylophone during the first activity time, and then the second class add in the parts that go with the song. You could even extend this to a third class time because the children will want to play different instruments. So you can play the song one time and then the groups can rotate around until everyone's had a turn. So you rotate 5 times. They'll rotate around so everybody gets a chance to play the instruments. And they will really like that. It makes for a very interactive activity and students are learning so many great things like patterns, sequencing, rhythm, beat, singing, and solfege. I hope your students enjoy this activity. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to the Sing, Play, Create Teaching Tips channel. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.